Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to join Player League on chess.com. First of all, open the chess.com application. All you have to do is play the game. Tap on the option play. After you do that, you'll have to play any standard games like tournaments, play a friend, etc. Once you complete your game, you can simply go back. Tap on the more icon that you can see at bottom. Once you do that, scroll down. Under the section for Connect, you'll be able to find the option for Players League. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to see your division over here. You can also select the year. Likewise, you'll also be able to select the week. Now if you scroll down, you'll be able to see your username in certain rank over here. You can see over here you've been placed in the Player League. Like this, you'll be able to join Player League in chess.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.